Good morning. So we've actually been living in this tiny house for about 5 months now. We are renters, but there are some things we wanted to talk about and thought it would be fun to show you. Some of the things that we like, some of the things that we would change. It is one day our dream to possibly own some property, build a tiny house of our own. So we thought it'd be fun to go through it and take you with us. So come on in, meet you on the patio. Okay, welcome to our home and welcome to the patio. So the patio is actually one of my favorite spaces in this entire house. It is where we spend so much time. We drink all of our coffee out here every single morning. If you watch our videos, you recognize that sofa. We love hanging out on this patio. I feel so connected to nature out here because it is just, you're so submersed in it. That being said, there's no railings on this entire patio. So you're kind of immersed in a dangerous way. You're very connected to the outdoors, but this entire patio is lifted. So it does feel a little dangerous, but I love this space. We film out here a lot. We drink coffee out here a lot. We have a lot of brainstorming sessions out here, but would definitely have a railing. Let's go inside.
Hi, Mango. Hi, buddy. Okay, here we are. All right, so inside the house, we have living room right here, workspace right here. I love having a desk. This is the first house we've had here in Guatemala since we've moved from the States that have had a workspace, so able to get a lot of work done here. The only thing I would change is probably instead of against the wall, you know, be facing some light or the lake, but I can a lot of times see Mango out there sitting on the patio on his little sofa. So I get enough light coming from this area. It's not too bad. And then living room, huge couch with a TV also first that we've had, which has been incredible. We love, of course, being YouTubers. We love to consume YouTube and watch a lot of movies together. Usually got some candles going on here. But what I would probably do differently with this area, I would like the TV kind of mounted on the wall, maximize that shelf space, throw some books over there, because I don't know what he's doing with this massive couch, right? I mean, slumber parties, but I could probably take this couch in and probably build a bigger closet. So this is our closet right here with all of our clothes. Sorry, I'm move this out of the way.
There you go. Thanks, baby.
Sorry. Okay, so we have all of our closet space here. He's still keeping stuff up there, so we really just have this and just random open storage underneath, right? So
don't show them our sins.
Just blankets.
Everyone has that closet,
blankets
right?
and pillows, but really that is what we have for clothing space. And we had to bring this from our previous spot because obviously there's two of us. So other than that, that's pretty much it for living room and workspace. Grace is gonna show you the kitchen.
Okay, welcome to the kitchen. You do a quick 360 and dinner is ready. Now, I actually do really enjoy this kitchen for being a tiny house kitchen. This is a really good spot. What I love most about this space is the windows, which we've already shown you. I love just how huge and open they are. It's my favorite thing about this whole space. I also really love the spice rack. I think that this is like really great little add-in that he did and I appreciate it every day. But the things I would probably change about this space is the lack of counter space. Unfortunately, this is pretty much my work zone. This little slab here, I definitely would appreciate having a little bit more. I love having a full fridge, but this space down here kind of confuses me. It's great storage, but I think that there was probably a way to optimize this. And I think that this could be used better. But other than that, I absolutely love the kitchen. I spent a lot of time here in the kitchen. And so there are, you know, things that I would definitely change, but on the whole, 2 thumbs up. All right, you want to show them the bathroom next?
Yep.
All right, perfect.
Watch out for Mango Man.
As always.
All right, cool. So we are here in the bathroom. Hopefully it's not too echoey. I'll make it quick. As you can see, it's pretty massive. It is a big bathroom for such a tiny house. Love that huge space for the throne. Got a massive shower. I mean, it's really everything we need. Kitchen and storage there, I'll show you in a second, but ultimately I think it's a little too big for the space, right? It is a tiny house. I think the bathroom could definitely come in, make more room on the other side of the wall where the closet is. The shower is incredible, but I think you can kind of condense because if if you have any hobbies, you're gonna want more storage space than just right there for your closet. And that's kind of what we're running into now with camera gear, with camping gear, you know, all kinds of stuff. But thankfully we do have over here a show. Oh, agua caliente. We have hot water. The last place we were in, we did not, but we got plenty of storage, thankfully, still in the bathroom, which we did not have at the last place. Other than that, we're gonna head upstairs to the lofted bedroom. Vamos. I'll follow you.
So actually, I would probably also change this staircase. I bump my head on this thing probably like every single day.
Yeah, we were actually talking last night, trying to figure out how we would change the staircase. We thought about putting maybe a spiral staircase over here, but the problem is you would also hit your head right here as well. So tiny places and stairs are very difficult, but with that being said, we love having this lofted bedroom.
Hi, welcome.
Welcome.
All right. I really enjoy having a lofted bedroom, first off. It is a really great use of space and all you do is sleep up here. So it's really nice having it just like out of the way and optimizing all the space down below. And I also really love the use of his natural light up here.
There's so many windows. There's 2 back here, 2 in front of us, and then like some side panels. So we wake up with like an incredible view of Lake Atitlán, sunrise. It's amazing to see the boats going by in the water, but there's no screens up here or on any of the windows or doors of the house. That's probably our biggest qualm with the house.
Because it's mosquito season.
Yeah, so definitely mosquito net is needed.
Yeah.
Other than that, like solid, right?
Solid. Really love this space. Like all the wood as well they uses for this whole house is just such a natural vibe. So.
I guess one thing I would say is this floor could probably be lowered a couple feet because I think it's like 9-foot ceilings in the bathroom and you don't need all that much space. You could
bring it down.
Bring it down a little bit. I'm 6'1".
And I'm 5'9".
So we're tall people.
We have to like Superman into bed sometimes not to hit our head.
Yeah,
but these are minor things.
Small price to pay for luxury. Right?
Overall, we really love this house. We love the tiny house, the minimal like kind of lifestyle it promotes, and just not having a lot of stuff. It makes our life simple and easy.
I know, for as much as we say we want more storage, but more storage means you have more stuff. So I love that he's keeping it a little bit more bare bones, and I think that's probably intentional. So
we learned a lot about what we would want or what we don't want in a tiny home, because it is still our dream to possibly build something like this. I mean, my dream is tiny home, big yard. So we're taking notes and we're enjoying living here while we're making a list.
Figuring this out.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what you thought of the house, what you would do differently. You know, are you interested in seeing more kind of tiny house or home design, home chats about what we would do in the future?
Or maybe you have a tiny house and you have some recommendations for us, and we'd love to hear those.
We just want to know what's going on in your life as well. Let us know. We are so thankful you're watching with us. Thank you to all of our Patreons and YouTube members. And other than that, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.
Let's crawl out of here.
See.
Did it. Made it.
Yeah, it's a little
steep.
See ya.
See ya.